Hello everyone, this is Ritu Singh, TGT English from Kendriya Vidyalaya Hathras is going to speak about the new education policy 2020, about its seventh point, which is efficient resourcing and the effective governance through school complex and cluster. And this concept first introduced by the Kothari Commission in 1964 and 66, and it is based on the assumption that high and the higher secondary school have better facility which can be utilized by the primary and the middle school. Present system, according to the UDAIS data of the school for the year 2016 and 17, there are the large number of the small school. Only in Uttar Pradesh there are 8,66,361 primary school which owned by the single teacher. And present system, about the data collection of the number of the student, 28% of the primary school and 40.8% of the upper primary school have less than 30 students. Other present system, the average number of the student per grade in the elementary school system, primary and upper primary, is about 14. It means that each and every class around 14 students, with a notable proportion having a 6 during the year 16 and 17 there were, and 1,08,017 single teacher schools. The majority of them are from the primary, 85,743 from the primary school. And in primary school, teacher have to work with the less several physical resource, and teacher have to teach multiple grades with multiple subject, and it is not possible to manage each and everything with the proper time. Teacher has to teach Hindi, maths, English, science and sports. So it is not possible in the small school with the single teacher. Then we can provide a better quality education to our student with single teacher. Then the isolation of the small school and its effect. Another important factor which is related with the small schools, that is the isolation and its effect. Most of the small school has settled down at the remote area of the town, and they are isolated from the other faculties of the education system, and it create a negative effect on the education. It's the teaching learning process. Teacher function, usually the teacher function best in touch of the community and as do for the students. Small school also present a systematic challenges for the governance and management. These challenges like the geographical dispersion and challenges access condition. They are situated at the remote area, and some challenges for the access the facilities. These type of the challenges also faced by the small school for the governance and management. The large number of the small school make it difficult to reach all schools equally, and administrative structure have not been matured with the increase in the number of the school with the unified structure of the Samagra Shiksha scheme. New education policy for efficient resourcing and effective governance through the school complex and cluster. That's why new education policy want to make the school complex and cluster, and for the efficient resourcing and for effective governance, because government, our educationists, our dignitaries want that the government plan to make the complex and cluster of a small school for improving the quality of education. Because complex of school is an option that is often discussed, it must be carried out very judicially and only when it is ensured that there is no impact on access, and such measures are neither the less likely to result only in the limited consolidation and would not be solve the overall structure problem and challenges presented by the large number of the small schools. Object behind the small school cluster: first of adequate number of trained teachers, social worker, counselors, adequate number of the teachers, adequate number of the resource. A sense of community is to build to overcome the isolation of the teacher, student and school, and other objective like the professional development program, sharing of teaching learning content, joint content development, holding joint activities such as art, science and exhibitions, sports meets and quiz, etc. Because if we share the resource, shows then it is possible we can easily manage. Suppose in a premise, in a cluster there are 5 primary school. In one school our teacher is very good in math, in one school a teacher is very good in English. They can exchange with each other and they provide the quality education to their schools. Now the cooperation and support across the school for the education of the children with the disabilities. Another important factor or important goal just to provide the access of education for the children those who have disabilities, and improve the governance of the schooling system by developing all fine decision to the principals and the teachers. Another, the aim of the school complex coordination, leadership, governance and management of school in the cluster. These are the some aim that we laid down just for establishing the school complex. पहला है more effective functioning, coordination, leadership, governance and management of school in the cluster. Benefits. Now we are going to discuss about the benefit of the school cluster or complex. सेंटर्ड क्लब होंगे, एकेडमिक, स्पोर्ट्स, आर्ट्स, क्राफ्ट, इवेंट ऑल विल इम्प्रूव बेटर incorporation of the art, music, language, vocational subject, physical education and other subject in the classroom through the sharing of the teacher and in these subjects, including the use of ICT tools to conduct virtual classes, better student support, enrollment, attendance, performance through the sharing of the social workers and the counselors, and school complex management committees for improving the governance, monitoring system and the innovations and initiative by the local stakeholder, and building such larger community of school for school leaders, teachers, students, supporting staff, parents and local citizens. These are the some benefits. Now the example of the cluster. Suppose a music class, empty class and these type that was used by the entire system. They take the advantage, they take the advantage, they take the advantage. This is an example of the cluster. Benefit of clustering with example of the real life situation. As all we know that in the real life situation, now we are continuing with the online classes, and suppose in a cluster there are five schools. They conduct the online classes and the students are sharing the device with each other. They are sharing the content with each other at their home. Some other example, it increase the group activity. Suppose it not only increase the sharing of the teachers but also it increase the sharing of the students. Suppose in a one school a student want to make a project on the science and he needs some supportive friends, but in the school there are no other student who want to participate in this type of project, but from the other school he got some friends and they can easily participate along with him and they can share the group activity. They can enjoy with each other. They used to do the group activity and they can interact with each other, and their social communication is also improved with the group activities. Now we have group study. Just because as all we know that everyone is not studying from a same area, everyone not studying in a same school, but when the clusters is done at a local level, then students are connected and paired with each other and they can start it to peer study and they can start with group study. They can utilize each other resource. They can improve their group study, their self study level, their group study level. Now the structure of the school cluster. First of all, department of school education, then district education officer, then block education officer, then school complex and cluster, then school A, then school B. In cluster there are two schools, school A, school B and some other also. And DSC plan, the development authority of the school complex and cluster, to give the autonomy to the school complex to focus on the aggregate level goals by improving the overall system. Now the exclusion, school complex and DSC along with BEO. Resource to be shared, we can share the classroom resource, we can share the books, we can share the study material, we can share some foods with each other, we can share the teachers, we can share the projects, we can share the study material, we can share the books also. Other measures: peering, one public school pair with the one private school. Best practice of the private school, like the documented shared in public school and vice versa. If we pair the one public school with the one private school, then we can share the best practice that is already done in the private school, like the documentation and file work and these type of things shared by the public school, and something which is already done in public school that is shared by the private school, that is shared with the private school. And along with this pairing, we need to establish a Bal Bhavan in every cluster, and these Bal Bhavan are like the day boarding school. And here in a weekend, a cluster from a cluster student can visit and they can enjoy this Bal Bhavan for improving for getting the better quality education. Pairing of the private and the public school, and if we pair private and public school, they can share the resources with each other. Suppose private school have more ICT tools that can be used by the public schools, and suppose in a public school there is a very good counselor that can be shared by the private school to counsel the student of the private school. Effect of the school clustering. The SDP-SCDP will be the primary mechanism to align all the stakeholders of the school with DSC. SMC and SCMC will use the SDP and SCDP for the oversight of the functioning and the direction of the school. The DSC, through its relevant official, the example, the BEO, will endorse and confirm the SCDP of the each school complex. It will then provide the resources necessary to achieve the SCDP as both short term and the long term. We need to look after the SCDP with a short term and long term way. And the DSC, district school education, work along with the SCRT for specific norms like the financial staffing processes, etc., and the framework for the development of the SDP and the SCDP with all schools, and which may be revised periodically, because along with the changes we need to make them update. It further enhance the cooperation, positivity among the school, include between the private and public school, and the twinning and pairing of the one public with the private will be adopted, and it will be adapted, and it create the positive effect, and every state will be encouraged to strengthen the existing or the established Bal Bhavans where children of all ages can visit once a week, and the school should be a point of the celebration and the honor of the whole community, and school hours may be used as a Samajik Chetna Kendra. School should be a point of celebration and honor for the whole community, and school hours may be used as a Samajik Chetna Kendra. Along with providing the education, a school may aware the society for the well-being of the society as the Samajik Chetna Kendra. Now we have suggestion. We are planning to making the cluster and complex, but we need to improve the infrastructure level of the public school. We need to bridge the gap that we saw in the images, that is for public and that is a private. We need to cover up this gap by providing the proper infrastructure to the public school. Thank you, and have a conclusion. School complex system will be easily achieve the goal of all round development of our student, and it is the effect way to make school education more effective. Now thank you, and any suggestion then you can provide to me.